So we're going to do the sleeves, and I already did this one. This is what it'll look like. So let's get on this side. The first step is we need to find the center of the sleeve. We know that this is the center of our sweater, of the shoulder. So I just start here and go 1, 2. So I'm going to put a little stitch marker right there, and then I attach it to our sweater, our shoulder piece. Now, so I have a piece of yarn and it is basically double the size of my sleeve. Okay, bottom one and leave a tail out to weave in later. So we go through our center stitch, right? And then you are actually going to split the yarn in half. So you're going to use this side on your right side, and we're going to use this on our left side. So we're going to start on the left side. On the back piece or your shoulder, you are going to go through 2 loops right there. And then you will go through your sleeve or your front piece where the braid is. Okay, and don't worry about doing it tight. We can pull it tight later. So I did 2 bars there. I'm going to do 3 my next one. So that was 3. You see? 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to go through your next stitch. Then we're going to go through 2 bars, 1 and 2. And then you just keep doing this all the way to the end. And that's 3. See, when you tighten it, what happens? I just kind of loosen it after. So I kind of tighten it and then I stretch it out where it needs to be. And that's what it'll look like. So go all the way to here. And then you are going to do the exact same thing here. You will, for this one, start with your front piece. So go through your stitch and then do 2 front piece, go through 3 bars, go to your front piece, 2 stitch, 3 stitch, 2 stitch, 3 stitch, 2 stitch, 3 stitch, all the way.